Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
18,195 students appeared through the regular category, passed 18,085, giving you the pass percentage of 99.40. This is how you can see the percentage range. Less than 33, that means those who got the remark as needs improvement. That means they have to answer the board examination. So they have 75. Arts, 4,745 appeared through the regular category. Passed, it is 4,716. And 22 students from the arts category, they are with needs improvement. They will have to repeat, giving a pass percentage of 99.39. Commerce, it is 5,593. In fact, this is the highest among all those 4 streams. Passed is 5,574, and 12 students, they got a remark as needs improvement. Pass percentage is 99.66. Science stream, 4,698 appeared, 4,683 passed, and only 5 students, they got a remark as needs improvement. Pass percentage is the highest among all those 4 categories. This is 99.68. Whereas vocational, this number is small among all those 4 categories. So this is 3,159, 3,112 passed, and 36 they are placed in needs improvement category, and the pass percentage is 98.51. तांकां आतां कशें हे 3 weeks जाल्या उपरांत हो एग्जामीचो रिजल्ट 3 weeksan म्हणजे मे बी 5th of August to 5 August ते 10 August पर्यंत आमी आमचे ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन सुरू करतले, आणि मे बी 15 ऑगस्टाच्या उपरांत मे बी लास्ट वीक ही एग्जाम जावं येता.